I must. So hot, stars and stardust. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Dark energy we don't touch. All jewelry's beyond.
What's up? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ania. And it's But if you're watching this, which you clearly are because you're hearing my voice, like so I can build an audience, because I'm starting new at this, you feel me? Subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna like your comment so your comment can get liked, so you can get likes, and then yeah, we can all just get likes together, because one big happy family. High five. But today we're gonna be it's gonna be a story time, talking about the time I almost got in a fight junior year. So let's get started. So this is what happened. Okay, the night before this whole incident happened, a fight happened that day. So I didn't get to watch it because for some reason it wasn't loading. The person that posted it on Instagram deleted it or something like that. So I was like, oh dang, I couldn't watch it. I go to school the next day. I'm talking to my friend Mila, right? Yeah, I'm gonna use her real name. I'm talking to my friend Mila. I think maybe my friend Leslie was over there, but I don't remember. But we over there and we're on our phone. We chopping it up or whatever. I'm on my phone. I was like, oh, here go we gonna call her Erica. So he was like, here go Erica fight. And so I was like, oh, okay. We was watching it together, me, Mila, and I really think, I don't remember. I think Leslie was over there, my friend Leslie. So we're watching it or whatever, right? And this girl, well, hey, before I even say that, we're watching it or whatever. I say, everybody said she got beat up. Those are my exact words. Everybody said she got beat up. I didn't say she got beat up. I said everybody said she got beat up. I didn't even finish what else I was finna say. So I turn around and I see this girl staring at me. We gonna name her Bertha. So Bertha was standing behind me. So I wasn't really paying attention. I just turned around, and I see Bertha staring at me. So I'm just thinking why are you looking at me? Type stuff. I don't even know you like that. I don't even know you at all. Come on now, I don't know you, so what are you staring at me for? So I turn around, looking, turned around or whatever, right? So I turn around, she's staring at me, so I turn back around, right? I look back around, she's still staring. So I'm just trying to figure out why she's staring at me. Why are you staring at me? Clearly, I don't even know you, so hold on. Why are you staring at me? Type stuff. So she mugging me too, so I'm just I'm looking back, I'm like, who is she looking at? Cause she's not looking at me. You not looking at me, what are you doing? But she was looking at me, and so she was like,
oh, that's okay, my friend got her ones.
Yeah, Bertha was like, oh yeah, that's okay, my friend got her ones, So I'm like, what are you talking about? And she was like, you just said she got beat up. I said, no, I didn't. And she was like, wow, okay. She started walking away talking. I'm just like, okay, you walking away talking. I can't even take you seriously. So I'm just like, all right, great. So I'm kind of mad because first of all, I'm friends with Erica. I've been knowing Erica since middle school. So I'm just trying to figure out why are you trying to be messy for something I didn't even say? Or you heard wrong. You didn't even ask me what I really said. So I left it alone. Then I see Erica come down the hallway. Mind you, I'm still I'm mad. I'm just come on now. So I see Erica come down the hallway. So she's walking with a group of people. And so I was like, hey, Erica, I didn't say nothing about you. If your friend to come in here and tell you that I said da-da-da-da-da, such and such. Okay, my storage ran out, but we're back on this. So I'm telling Erica, Like, I didn't say that about you. I said that everybody said you got beat up, kumbaya and stuff. She talking about who was saying I got beat up. I said everybody in the comments on the video. And then so she was like, oh please, like she was like, girl, I didn't get beat up type stuff. So we over chopping it up or whatever. She wasn't really tripping. So I'm going back to my table. I'm minding my own business. Like, I'm thinking it's over with. That's where I thought wrong. So I walk back to the table. So I'm still kind of mad because, like, why did you come for me? Like, I don't even do nothing to nobody. So why are you coming for me? Type stuff. So the bell rings. I'm with my best friend, and we're walking to our class. Like, we're walking to class, and out of nowhere, Bertha is coming down the hallway talking about some all of that. But she ain't call me no slut. But you know, y'all get the word. She over calling me out my name, telling me some this type stuff. Like, what are you doing? Like, why? And I'm okay. At this moment, I'm just like laughing because, like, sweetheart, you didn't have the same energy a minute ago. You had to go get your friends to come hype you up, which is pretty darn sad because you can't get mad. Like, it wasn't your place to get mad. Like, I don't understand why you were mad in the first place. Like, it's early in the morning. I'm still halfway asleep and you're trying to turn up on me. Not gonna happen. So she's still coming down the hall talking about this dot. So I'm sitting there, I'm laughing or whatever, right? And so I was like, I'm arguing with her. So before the argument even started, her friends are holding her back against the wall. So, first of all, she wasn't gonna hit me anyways. She said she was gonna slap me. Not beat me up, slap me. Slap me, like, type stuff. I'm gonna slap you. Yeah, like, no. So, we arguing at this point. She's still hugged up against the wall, which her friends are still not holding her back. They still ain't holding her back. Still. So she was talking about she was gonna drag me, this and this and that. So I'm still arguing with her or whatever. So, like, I'm like in the middle of the hallway, and I'm just trying to figure out, like, what's really good, because you got this energy out of nowhere. Like, you coming for me. I don't do anything to nobody. You got mad for no reason. So what are you doing? Explain. Like, I was like shook. I was real life shook because you coming for me and I didn't even do nothing to you, sweetheart. Like, let's talk about that, okay? Like, no, don't do that. So then she talking about, then this is where I kind of blacked it. So we still arguing at this point. We arguing for like a minute and a half now, cause she said she was gonna slap me. So I was like, okay, slap me then. Still ain't slap me. So I'm just like, okay, like, go on. Like, I don't care. So then she was like, girl, I will drag your skinny. And I hate when people underestimate my weight. And like, okay, I'm kind of bigger now. No, I'm not. I'm kind of like, I was smaller last year. So like, her coming from my size, I'm just like, sweetheart, you not that more bigger than me. Let's just say that. Second of all, you wasn't gonna whoop me. On God, you wasn't. Third of all, I had on combat boots that day. I was gonna stomp your head in if you was on the floor. So like, let's just talk about that. Let's talk about that. You feel me? Type stuff. So she was talking about, I'm finna drag you. So I was like, girl, I will rock you. And I said them exact words. And so I'm finna go over there and the teacher talking about some go to class. Boy, what you mean go to class? She done came for me. What are you talking about? So she didn't mug me the whole school year. And yeah, that's basically the end of the story. And yeah, Bertha, I still don't mess with Bertha. I don't have a problem with her other than that whole incident that happened. But yeah, Bertha had me bent, you know. So I was just like not feeling her at all, you know. So like, yeah, that's the end of that story time. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was kind of all over the place, but I really could care less because y'all still gonna watch it if y'all like me. And I hope y'all guys like me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment some stuff that y'all want me to do next, because like, I'm really on that. And but like, follow me on Instagram, Ania Trends. I'm putting it on the screen. This is the end of the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I am it.